Ooh! Welcome.
I took the walk
to Poland.
Yo, what up, y'all? Welcome back
to the number 0, not 1, because 0 is before 1, and you know what it is, 1 and done. I don't know, that sound cool when I said it in my head, but fuck it, we gonna keep that. The number 0 cooking show, the Bnffts cooking show, we back in tune with it. You see what we got going on.
You already know
what we doing today, though?
Yo, listen, man, we never made a breakfast episode yet.
We never made breakfast.
Today is gonna be our first breakfast episode.
Very important meal of the day, the first one.
First meal of the day. Yo, a lot of people don't eat breakfast nowadays. It's sad.
Honestly, I'll be going like the whole day until like 5, 6 o'clock without eating sometimes.
I know, that's what we did today. That's what's going on right now. Yo,
that is what's going on.
Eat breakfast. It's important.
You need that for your brain.
Y'all don't want to eat breakfast, but then you want to go the whole day complaining, oh, I'm tired.
And you want to drink licks when you go out.
But you want to drink licks. You don't never...
And lean and walk.
You don't never skip licks. Y'all don't never skip licks, but you skip breakfast. Crazy.
Come on now. But we was having a little bit of issue and difficulty, you know, because we both had different experiences with breakfast. So
yeah, what
we're going to do in this particular episode, we're going to have a little versus. I feel like when I say versus, you put like the little VS shit with like the Street Fighter shit. Versus. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. That's hard. That's hard.
You see it? Nah, change the color. Change the color.
Yeah, that was tough. That was tough. That was tough. I ain't gonna that was tough. He's gonna make his breakfast, and I'm gonna make mine.
Yeah, so this is the recipe I got from a homegirl of mine. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to her. This is actually the French toast waffle.
Is it French toast or is it a waffle? Because it can be both.
But it is both.
Are you one of those people that because you don't got one, you gotta give it a double name?
I'm one of those people that when I'm stuck between 2 decisions, I choose both.
I like that. That's
respectful.
Well, mine is a cinnamon butter waffle. So we're gonna have a little waffle off right now. It's one of my classic joints that I used to make back in the day. So let's get the ingredients out so the people can see what's up. We got the waffle. Woo! Got another waffle.
We back! We back, baby!
We got the syrup. Oh, this nigga. Oh.
Alright, so for my situation, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna start off real normal, simple. First, we're gonna use my waffle. You know what I'm saying? Listen, you need 2 simple things. Ice cream. Ice cream got your butter, your milk, your vanilla, your sugar. Everything is in ice cream. And then we're gonna use our egg to bind it.
A white egg on Black History Month is crazy. Wow, you pushing it. Aight.
Our ice cream. I get that spoon, brother.
I've never seen this shit done before, so I'm really interested to see what this is about to be.
Probably just a little bit. Yeah, that's about it. Remember, guys, Bnffts cooking show. We all about taking shit that, you know what I'm saying, ain't exactly gourmet, but making it that way. You know what I'm saying? Making shit happen, making something out of nothing and nothing into something.
There's another nothing that you made into something.
This came from, you know what I'm saying, just laziness, not having all the ingredients in the crib and realizing that ice cream got everything you need to make French toast. It's not a fucking Eggo commercial. You microwave this ice cream so that it gets watery type shit, you know. Yeah, that's valid. That's all I need, my brother. Got our ice cream real melted. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna crack our eggs into that real quick. We just gonna take our ice cream ingredients. We're gonna mix our egg in there and get a good look at this shit. It's supposed to look something like this. Make sure you really whisk it in there. We're mixing our batter while we got our waffles toasted. I don't got a regular toaster, I'm sorry. So so what we're gonna want to do next is then turn our burner on, and then let's get a little butter going. Slap that down, slap a little butter down. Like really get that shit in there though. Like, alright, we only gonna do 2 at a time real quick, just to keep it, you know what I'm saying, organized. Alright, so it's looking good so far. Let's get yeah, that's what we want to see. We want to see that black shit. You know what I'm saying? When it bun it done. When it bun it done. That sizzle. Alright, we just about done now. Could probably take these joints out in a few minutes. We're gonna cut to a quick commercial break for y'all, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Don't skip them ads, man. We appreciate black business. It's Black History Month. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. We'll see y'all in a few.
This is
Hi, I'm Wayne. Last year, my friends and I set on a mission to save the world from boring YouTube videos.
Project
Let me show you how that's been going so far.
But they be sending up. Better watch out, motherfucking top. They say little band man, goddamn nigga, when the song gon' drop. Tell you should know that it's coming.
I have no fucking idea
Gotta keep on moving a load up. This little bitch bitch, she talking these pictures of me. I ain't taking no photo.
Got lean. So with my steps to make the cinnamon butter waffles, it's not as complex as his, but it's like you doing too much. You doing way too much just for a mediocre taste. You know what I'm saying? We're doing the verses. I know we cool. We doing a little shit right now, but we not really mans right now. It's little verses. So with my shit, it's cinnamon butter. It's real simple ingredients. Cinnamon and butter. I got my cinnamon right here. Got the butter right here. Got the waffles thick and fluffy. Like my gal. Ha ha ha. I see you, baby. This for you. Keep it going. This is what you do. I already toasted it already. It's a little bit toasted, but not too much. You know what I'm saying? But this is what you gotta do. You gotta put the butter on it. But what I like to do, before I put it on the pan, I butter up both sides. You know what I'm saying? Put the butter on both sides so I can evenly spread shit out, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do 2. Since you did 2, I'm gonna do 2. I mean, I'm gonna do 2. I'm gonna do 2. A little bit of butter on the pan, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. Even though my shit's already buttered up, I'm putting a little more just to get. These 2 right here. Boom, 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 boom. The shit heating up. I'm gonna let you know when to specifically to add the cinnamon. Not yet.
You know they make a flavor of waffles with cinnamon on it.
What's your vibes?
My fault, bro. I ain't mean to.
Let me do what I do, cause my shit better than the Eggo.
My fault, bro.
Let me do what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm gonna add the cinnamon right here. You know what I'm saying? Get the cinnamon popping. And I'm gonna put a little bit of syrup on this shit. I hate when you talk this like. Yeah, let it drip into all the squares.
Alright, so we back here again with.
Leave it out.
Alright, so you know, I'm starting to feel like you copy my shit a little bit. Personally.
Bro, I told you what was in my shit.
Personally, but it's cool. So which one you want to try first? So you can try Nick's joint first, you know what I'm saying? Dive in. You know him.
No bias here.
No bias.
There's no bias.
I don't even fuck with you.
Oh.
Type shit. He's gonna need some water to clear his palate out. Okay. Don't say nothing yet. Just, you know what I mean? Take it in. And try some real.
Try the weak shit next.
It might be a little cold because you know niggas want cheap, but
Show me nothing, man.
it's whatever,
Type shit. I ain't gonna lie, man. No, I ain't saying nothing, bro. Both them bitches is hitting.
You need to go back. You need to.
You need to double it?
I think I might just need to leave with these. No, let me stop.
At this point, niggas is horsing around, just eating.
Smash them shit.
All right.
Let the water clear shit up, you know?
They got no drawers. Like, I gotta choose one. Like,
This is chopped cheese and a dollar.
Chopped cheese and
line,
a
bro.
bean on the line, bro.
This is serious stuff.
damn, that's a lot.
A bean is on the line.
That's a lot.
This side, the cinnamon butter. What's the name of your joint?
I don't like that. I don't like your vibe.
What's the name of this joint?
It's a French toast waffle.
Nah, that's it. I'm fucking with you. Cinnamon butter and the cinnamon butter and
like
the
it.
French toast waffle.
Alright, so. Yo, I ain't got nothing negative to say, man. I don't know if cause I'm deady, you know, I feel good, I'm hungry, but both these is doing their numbers right now, you feel me? And yeah, niggas gotta just. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't do it.
Look at this nigga, bro.
I'm sorry, y'all.
Nah, he's not gonna lie. This shit fun.
I ain't real.
Let me get one of these shit.
I'm sorry,
I
y'all.
gotta drown it. I gotta drown it, you know what I'm saying?
Cause boom, alright, here we go. On these ends right here, the texture is soft, you know, yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. And then on this side, you got the crunchy, you know, you got the toasted.
Very interesting taste.
You get the best of both worlds, man. The taste is there.
For both of them.
Both of them.
So, we might have to get 50 cents a man and half a chopped cheese.
Yeah, and they might do, yeah, man, half, everybody eat.
We can shake on that. We can shake on that.
Like,
All right, say we can end it off on that. What you think? We can shake on that 50-50, half a chopped cheese.
Ha! My shit is bust!
Nah, bro, hold on.
What?
Hold on, bro. Hold on.
What? You should have shook before I tried my
What is this nigga talking about, bro?
You should have shook before you tried my shit. What? What are you eating, bro?
I'm eating what you eating, bro.
Yo, bro.
I both,
Are you well?
Yo, bro.
y'all both my mans, bro. Ain't no favoritism, no bias, man. But I might have to go half, cause.
We gonna have to go half, bro.
Alright? Alright.
All right. It's been another episode of Bnffts Cooking Show, man. We appreciate y'all for coming out and shit. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, share that, send that to a friend and all that.
Tell a friend and tell a friend. We're back again real soon.
You know what I'm saying? And with that being said, make sure you turn them post notifications on too.
I might get out of here with these bitches slapping.
Jeffrey, we appreciate you for helping a nigga out.
Y'all niggas be safe.
We gonna catch y'all next time.